In this video, you'll learn how to access Microsoft Bookings quickly and reliably, even if you've never used it before. By the end, you'll know exactly what to type, what to look for, and how to confirm that you're in the right place so you can start managing appointments without any confusion. First, make sure you're on a device with an internet connection. This can be a laptop, a desktop computer, or even a tablet. Open your preferred web browser. This might be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another browser you're comfortable with. The process will be the same no matter which one you choose. Once your browser is open, you'll want to go to a completely new tab. If a tab is already open with another website, that's fine, but we want a fresh space so nothing gets confused or overwritten. To do this, click the small plus icon, usually found at the top of your browser window next to your existing tabs. When you click it, a blank new tab will open. You should see an empty address bar at the top of the screen. Now move your cursor to the address bar. This is the long field at the very top of the browser window where website links appear. If there's already text there, such as another web address or a search term, you can simply click once to highlight it or press Ctrl plus L on Windows or Command plus L on a Mac to select it. Once the text is highlighted, you can start typing to replace it. Carefully type the following in the address bar: book.es. That's book.ms. There are no spaces and no extra words. Take a moment to double check that it's spelled correctly, because even a small typo can send you to the wrong page or cause an error. After you've typed book.ms, press the enter key on your keyboard. Your browser will now navigate to that address. In most cases, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Bookings sign-in or home page. This is a Microsoft-owned shortcut, so it's a quick and easy way to get exactly where you need to go without remembering a long URL. If you're not already signed in with your work or school account, you may see a Microsoft sign-in screen. Here, you can enter the account that has access to Microsoft 365 services. If your organization uses Microsoft Bookings, that same account should work here. If you're already signed in, you might be taken directly to the main Bookings dashboard or prompted to choose an account if you have more than one. Once the page finishes loading, take a look at the address bar again. You should see that book. EMS has redirected to a longer Microsoft URL related to bookings. That's a good sign that you're in the right place. From here, you can start exploring your calendar, your booking pages, or any services your organization has set up. If this is your first time, it can be helpful to bookmark the page in your browser so you don't have to remember the shortcut next time. And that's all there is to it. By opening a new tab, typing book.ms in the address bar and hitting enter, you can quickly access Microsoft Bookings whenever you need it.